In primetime news this evening, officers defend yourselves. Police Federation outraged over videos with citizens attacking the police. Show some restraint. Children's Advocate offers advice to teachers dealing with problematic students. And Press Association upset over Prime Minister's attacks on the media. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. Why the Jamaica Public Service Company is telling you to brace for interruptions in your electricity. The details in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Jordan for what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, 2 Jamaicans have been named to the West Indies Under-19 squad for the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup starting next January. We got their reactions on their selection. You'll hear what they had to say in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the plans outlined by the Prime Minister at the JLP annual conference yesterday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.